of pro tips. So working over exposed cavities, if you will, in any body panels, a couple of small rags to close up that gap will aid you greatly from dropping fasteners down into and having to chase them out of the rear bumper cover. Just saying. And also, upside down and backwards, always check your ratchet before you put it on there, so righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, you don't even have to think about it. You know you're loosening the fastener. So a couple of tips there from your Uncle Lair. So I got all the hardware out, and these are the little nut plate clips I was talking about. Basically replace those, but let's do a dry fit just to see if our replacement is going to fit nicely. So we'll line this girl up. Let's check it out. Get one side here. This is going to be interesting. It's not sliding on as perfect as OE. So much for world record mod here. Interesting. This is not going on perfectly. It's not dropping in, so I'm gonna have to take a few moments here and see if this is gonna work. It's generally the correct shape, but this gap here along the front, I'm worried about having to pull that in and keep this back covered up. So let me get after this and do some primitive Pete on this joker, see if I can't make it fit. Be back in a moment. As they say, you get what you paid for. So you can see this hole lines up, OE being on the top, Chinese product on the bottom. This guy doesn't line up. They thought it was this hole. They pre-drilled a hole there. I'm gonna have to drill a hole here. Sorry for the lighting. So that's 1, 2, that one's good, 3, 4 out of 6 I'm gonna have to re-drill and get realigned. Also on this Chinese product, you'll notice here on, excuse me, on the OE, there are no tabs here on the back side, but on the Chinese version, they had these plastic tabs, and so I got the heat gun out and I melted these jokers down and formed them to not interfere with the mounting. This one here on the end was atrocious. This is real bad. I might even have to cut this guy out. I don't know what they bonded these little plastic tabs with, but it is amazing because the heat gun essentially got this plastic melty, and I held it down with a screwdriver, but it didn't break the bond at all. I mean, not even touch the bond. So that's some amazing glue. So let me get these jokers drilled to the appropriate locations and try again. Nothing is ever easy. After much finagling, this joker is by no stretch OE fitment quality. Again, I will reiterate, you get what you pay for. So I was out for functionality with a little bit of lift, and it's like I said, it's about 2.5 inches or so. However, the front edge here, I started the screws on either side and pulled it in slowly, but I'm gonna try to show you here along the seam where there's a gap here. So what I'm trying to show you here, demonstrate, is fitment quality. Along this forward seam, I did my very best to pull in the Chinese version. Wow, there's a big gap there. So I'm worried about water intrusion. I'll probably just tape that or put some vinyl wrap on there from my vinyl guy. But that's it. You get what you pay for, like I said, over and over. Frog Venom was my second choice. This was less than $300 on eBay, and it should serve my purpose, but we'll see going forward if it stays on. And if I not upgrade to a frog venom version of that. Let's get this down and see what it looks like. This is what she looks like installed. Oops, sorry for my finger there. So functionality wise, I think we're there. Fitment wise, bit to be desired. Like I said, this was literally just try to add a little extra aero over the top. I really don't want to wing the car, but you know, as they say, the mod game is a slippery slope. So the reason why that big gap is here, down right here, is because a stinking nut plate flew off as I was trying to transfer it over to drill those proper alignment holes. And now I can't find that joker, but it'll turn up and I'll get that gap addressed. But with that, that's her in a nutshell. Buyer be warned, the cost of entry is probably not worth it on this buy. Go with an American company or a reputable company that has OE fitment. With that, 1-9 out. Let's get some track footage.